Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. This is Jewels for Everyone, and today I'm gonna make a new video of this bracelet. It's based on a knitting technique as you saw in one of my previous videos, but in this one the pearls will be on the side and in the previous one the pearls were on top. So it's very fun to make, it's very easy to make. I use magnetic clasps as I always do at the end, and then I put a jump ring to the bracelet to add my clasp. So today we're gonna make this bracelet. You will need scissors, you will need a thread. I use Fireline in the color Crystal because it matches my pearls. I used 11 size seed beads, color Silverline Dark Cornflower Blue, and then I used 3mm facet pearls in the color Opaque Blue. You can use bicones, you can use pearls, you can use everything as long as it's 3mm. So to start, I add a stop bead on my thread so the pearls won't come off in the beginning. And to start, we're gonna pick up 4 seed beads, followed by 1 3mm pearl, followed by 3 seed bead size 11. So when you take a look at it, it will look like this. 4 seed beads, 1 pearl, 3 seed beads. I'm gonna add them on my thread until the stop bead. So it looks like this. I'm gonna take it in my on my finger, and I'm gonna go through the last seed bead like this, from left to right. I'm gonna pull my thread. It will look sloppy in the beginning, but it will become better once you did more. So it looks like this. You have the little loop with the pearl on top. So to continue, we're gonna take 1 3mm pearl and 3 seed beads size 11. I'm gonna add them on my thread like this. Add them on my thread. I'm gonna take the work in my hand, and then I'm gonna take a look, and I have here, there's the pearl, so I'm gonna use the seed bead next to it from under to above like that, and I'm gonna pull, make it really tight, and then you have your second loop. So to continue, I'm gonna do the same. So I'm gonna pick up 3mm seed beads and 3 seed bead size 11. So again, 1 3mm pearl and 3 seed bead size 11. Put them on my thread. Take the work in my hand again, looking at the previous pearl, which is this one, and then I'm gonna go through the last seed bead. Watch this one. Like that. Pull again. Make sure your work is very tight, otherwise it won't look as good. And I put it down, you get this. So, and then you keep doing the same. So you take 1 pearl 3mm, 3 seed beads size 11, put them on your thread. Look where the previous pearl was. This is the previous pearl. Take the last seed bead, this one, going upwards like that, pull, and it will look like this. So continue. 1 3mm pearl, 3 seed bead size 11, put them on my thread again like this. Look at my previous pearl, which is this one. Take the last seed bead and go downwards like that, and pull, and then it becomes like this. So again, 1 pearl, 3 seed bead size 11, put them on your thread. Look at your work, take the last pearl, which is this one, go through the last seed beads and go upwards like that. And pull your work. So you need to continue doing this. So every time you just take the last bead, go one further, which is the last seed bead, and go downwards or upwards, and change sides every time. So I'm gonna do it one more time for you. So take one 3mm pearl, 3 seed beads like that, put them on my thread. Look at my work. Now this time this was the last bead pearl, so I'm gonna take this seed bead, because the pearl is upwards, I'm gonna go upwards to my last bead like that, and I'm gonna pull again like this. One more time. 1 pearl, 3mm, oh my gosh, 3 seed beads size 11, going down, looking at my work. This one was the last pearl, going through the last bead. I'm going downwards because my pearl was down this way, so like this, and pull. And as you continue, you start to see the bracelet be coming to life like that. So when you don't pull hard enough, I don't know if you can see it, but then it will get loose. You see me moving the pearl, so you have to make sure the pearls are very tight. So I'm gonna pull again, and now I can't play with the pearl anymore as I could in the beginning. So you need to pull very hard. You can't break your thread. Don't be scared to pull too hard, because you won't. And when you finish your bracelet, it will look like this. The little difference between this one and this one is that I used fire polished beads in this one, and I used glass pearls in this one, but you can use crystals as well. You can use everything. So I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. It's really fun.